Meet Mary. Mary runs an IT group managing a stressful amount of servers and desktops, yet she seems surprisingly relaxed. How does she do it? It seems one of her locations is experiencing a problem. Let's see what happens. Mary gets an alert SMS from RUON. She logs in and opens the location map and looks for the alert. Sure enough, there it is. A local agent is reporting the mail server listener is down. From the agent page, she sets out to open an RUON track ticket. First, she assigns the ticket to John, the network specialist. She categorizes the ticket as network related and proceeds to add a title. Finally, she notes a suspicion that a recent DNS failure might be the cause of the mail server issue. Task assigned. Well done, Mary. In a room far across the hall, John is hard at work when his Google desktop gadget shows he has a new ticket assigned to him. He clicks the gadget, which opens the browser directly on the ticket page, and lo and behold, a new task awaits him. John jumps into action. Using RUON Access and its remote desktop applet, he logs into the machine. He quickly sets out to check the suspect DNS. The primary DNS for the site is down, and without one the mail server cannot work. He finds out that the machine does not have a secondary DNS assigned. To configure it, John must find out the secondary DNS IP. He logs into another machine on the same network. It is a Unix box and RUON defaults to an SSH terminal. John checks out the DNS fields. He then toggles back to the mail server that is still open in a separate tab. He enters the DNS information and saves the day. But John does not leave it at that. He decides to install DNSON, a DNS monitoring agent. He opens a browser on the remote server, logs into RUON, and goes to the download section. He clicks the protocol monitoring category, selects DNSON for Windows, and within a few seconds DNSON is installed. John configures it to monitor the DNS servers, once again copying them from the Unix terminal. Nice work, John. Now all that's left is for John to resolve the ticket. He loads the ticket, clicks Resolve, and adds a short description of the steps he had taken for generations to come. Back to work. Later that day, Mary's RUON Mac widget tells her that the ticket she opened is now resolved. She clicks the widget to log in and reads John's comments. Happy and still relaxed, she closes the ticket with a satisfied nod of a job well done. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, John. And thank you, RUON. Wishing you pleasant monitoring.